Pakistan, a land of enchanting landscapes,
steeped in rich cultural diversity,
cradle of the ancient Indus civilization,
with a deep-rooted sense of compassion and generosity,
and a vibrant and energetic youth.
We are the progressive,
resilient,
and peace-loving Pakistan.
but the irony is that we are not perceived as such. Let's align perceptions with reality.
National Amateur Short Film Festival is one of its kind event.
An excellent opportunity for our enormously creative and talented youth
to exhibit their ingenuity and flair
And present the real Pakistan to you.
Create your best shot.
produce short films on diverse and thrilling themes.
Be part of this filming extravaganza.
win scholarships to the most prestigious film academies of the world.
Grand cash prizes.
Production equipment.
and recognition at home and beyond.
Participate to live your passion.
And let's showcase Pakistan to the world.